Here we go. We have a question: multiply two linked lists. So you have given elements as a nodes of two singly linked lists, and the task is to multiply these two linked lists, say L1 and L2. The note here is the output could be large, so take modulus with this number. In this example, first linked list is 32, second linked list is 2. So the resultant is 64. You have to return in a single data type, say long. So same applies for the next test case. So that's about this explanation. Let's build the approach. So I have taken this test case. The first linked list is 5, 6, then 4. Second is 2, 9, and 8. So here we first have to convert this into a single number, because at the end we have to return in a single number. So how do we convert? This is the head. So first let's take a value answer is equal to 0. Then first value is this. So multiply answer with 10. Then add the current data. Current data is 5. So why do we need to multiply with 10? Because it will create some space. So initially answer is 0. So for the first element answer is 5. Next we jump to the next node. This is 6. So make some space plus add value. Then it will be 56. Now our answer is 56. Jump to next node. It is 4. So make some space. 56 cross 10 plus 4 is equal to 564. So then we have our first number. Then same applies for the next number. First number is 564. Then second number is 298. 298. So after making first number and second number, so one thing which I missed is while you are doing this operation multiplying plus addition, the number can go out of bound. So also take modulus here. So apply mod and overall apply mod. So after you have number 1 and number 2, you just need to multiply. But before multiply, apply the modulus operation. Here modulus, then here also apply modulus, then overall apply modulus. So this is how modulus function, modulus thing will work. So at the end you have your resultant answer. So that's about the explanation. Let's code this. First number A, I have built a separate function value which takes a linked list and will return a value. So first we have value 1, next we have value 2, and I have taken mode. This is the function answer 0, then mode. While our linked list contains a nodes, so this thing answer multiplied 10, which will create some space. Then I am adding number. Apply modulus. Go to the next node. So after you have the number, just return your number. So you have number A, number B. According to this test case, the number A is 32, number 2 is 2, number B is 2. Then we just need to multiply. Before multiply, we have to apply modulus to number A, also number B. Then we multiply number A with number B and overall apply modulus operation. So that's about this question. Let's give it a try and let's talk about time and space complexity. So we have a separate function value. This value function will run till we have node size. So it will work till order of n, or this will work for order of m. So in total it will be maximum of order n or order m, and space complexity is constant. I think I have some internet issue, so now I connected to the internet. Let's wait for it to submit. The code is given in the description box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And now we have successfully solved this question. Thank you all for watching.